Hi guys, happy summer. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Today I'm going to be talking about the best deals going on over at Walgreens this week. I'll show you the items I saw on clearance, the items that I picked up, as well as some of the best deals that I think are going on this week that you don't see here on the table. I also did the healthy summer offer, which is spend $30 on certain items and you get $10 in Walgreens cash. I'm going to tell you how I did that to get everything for free. This week was weird. This past week, so Monday was a holiday, Tuesday was the last day of school, Wednesday was the first day of summer. My son had a doctor's appointment. It was just kind of a crazy week. On top of that, one bad thing, one good thing, my refrigerator went out because that's what every mom needs when summer is just starting. And but I got my Facebook account back. So I had a low and a high. Thankfully the refrigerator looks like it can be fixed. Hopefully, wish me luck. It's going to be fixed by Tuesday of this week. But that was an unexpected thing. So the Walgreens app this morning, crazy. One page, it's telling me the sale price that you see in the sales ad. But when I click on the items, it's showing me a different price. So I haven't done all of the matchups like on Instagram like I normally do because I want to wait for the system to update. I don't want to provide any inaccurate information. So that's why if you follow me over on Instagram, that's why I haven't posted it there yet. So let's talk about the deals I didn't do that are in the ad this week. Let's start there. The Tide detergent, 4 for $9, which is a decent price, right? And if you're looking for using your booster, it's a decent price for Tide. Now, don't forget, you can join the PG Good Everyday platform for free and you can print coupons from there. So if you're not using that platform, I will drop a link down below. Again, it's always free. You're not going to pay for it, but it allows you to print coupons and get gift cards or other things for purchasing Procter & Gamble products, and you can also find rebates there as well. The Kellogg's products are buy one, get one free. The cereal, the Pop-Tarts. What I thought was the best deal there was the bigger pack of Pop-Tarts, which says $4.29 in the app this morning. Buy one, get one free. That makes those big boxes just $2.14 each. The Cheez-Its are buy one, get one free. Again, in the app this morning, it said 2 for $6. That would make them 2 for $3 after that buy one, get one free sale. Sodas are buy two, get one free in the ad this week. So decent deal, I believe, if you're a soda drinker. The Persil laundry detergent. So this is $6.49. There's a $2 digital coupon that makes it $4.49. But if you remember 2 weeks ago, I believe, I got Catalinas that printed out at the register for $4 off. I think this is the best price we're going to see on those. So that $6.49 price minus that $4 Catalina, if you have them, that makes them just $2.49 each, which is a great price for Persil. The Finish Quantum, if you need dishwasher tabs, those are $5.49. There's a $1 digital coupon, so you'll pay $4.49 at the register. Get back $1 on Ibotta, making it $3.49 for that pack of Finish. Planters Peanuts. So this is a deal that I wanted to do. I just haven't done it yet. 2 for $5. There is a $1 digital coupon that makes them 2 for $4. So $2 a piece on the Planters Peanuts. And then the Airwick, like little plug-in thing, it's $1.99 minus the $1.99 coupon, making it free. And it's actually advertised as free in the ad this morning, but when I was in the app, it's still pulling up as $2.99 for some reason. So hopefully they get that fixed here. By the time you're watching this video, hopefully that is fixed. Don't forget to look for that pledge that I showed you last week. I'm still seeing those everywhere on clearance, but they're unmarked, which is why they're still in the store. But they're 49 cents each. And that $1 rebate is still on Ibotta, so it makes it completely free for purchasing too. Now, let's talk about a couple of deals anyone can do in store this week, or you can do them curbside. The trail mix, $1.88. That is a great price for the trail mix. This is also part of that healthy summer bonus. The complete bags, these are buy one, get two free, and it's any of the complete home bags. So that makes them just 93 cents after you get two of them for free. Now, this one is interesting. So the Lysol laundry sanitizer, in the ad it says it's $7.49, but online it's still pulling up $6.49. So if you snag it at $6.49, if you're doing a curbside order, there's a $2 digital, making it $4.49, then getting back $2.50 on Ibotta, final cost of $1.99. Obviously, that price will be $2.99 if they do in fact update the app, and so the correct price according to the ad is $7.49 this week. Now, the cashews, these were still buy one, get one free, $5.99, buy one, get one free. I purchased these with my Healthy Summer, so I'm going to tell you about that here in just a second. Now, this popcorn, it is $4.79. There is a text offer. So if you text to this number on the screen, your receipt, you're going to get $4.75 back, making it just 4 cents for this bag of popcorn. I did this late yesterday. It hasn't reached my Venmo yet. It says it could take 24 hours, so I can update y'all when this processes, but that's a decent offer if you like this popcorn. The Boost. So let's talk clearance for a minute. The vitamin aisle had tons of stuff marked 90% off. Now, if your store has these Boost, you can snag them almost for free. My store had these at $13.99, clearance down to $1.39, and they were buy one, get one half off. So it was $1.39 plus 69 cents, which took it just over $2, and there's a $2 digital. So after that digital came off, I paid just 8 cents for both of them, or 4 cents each. So check your store. Now remember, you have to be at least $2 for that $2 digital to come off. So one of my followers, I had posted this on Instagram last week, her store had these at a whole $1 cheaper. So they were $12.99 regularly, and so it made it $1.29 clearance. So her total ended up being just under $2. So her $2 digital did not come off. So if you're looking for these, just know it has to be above $2 for that $2 digital to come off. But there were 2 different $2 digitals, so I was able to get 4 of them for 4 cents each. Other clearance, the vitamins, like I said, lots of them marked down 90% off. I found these papaya enzymes for just 68 cents. This was just one option. There were tons. But there's a $4 off to store digital. So that will automatically adjust down for every 2 you purchase. So any of them that come out to $4 for 2 or less will be completely free. Okay, obviously if they're a little bit more than $4 is going to come off. So hopefully that made sense. The other thing I found on clearance were these M&Ms. So the fudge brownie M&Ms were in my store on clearance for 49 cents. There is a $1 off 3 digital coupon. So if you buy 3 of them at 49 cents minus that $1 digital coupon, it makes it 47 cents for all 3, or just 15 cents each. Now, if your store has these at regular price, that doesn't make them actually that much more expensive with that $1 digital coupon. So if you're an M&M fan, you might snag them even if they're not on clearance. And y'all realize I had to buy 3 of them with that $1 digital, because 2 at 49 cents, that $1 digital would not have come off. I had to buy 3 because it had to be over $1 for that $1 digital to come off. Now, let's talk about the Healthy Summer offer. It is spend $30, get $10 in Walgreens cash. Now, these Pure Boosts right here are included in that spend 30, get 10. I did this in store because I had a paper booster that I wanted to use. Now, let me tell you how this worked out. Online, these were $12.99. In store for me was more expensive, as it always is, at $13.49. I picked up 2 of these because there's an Ibotta rebate as well as a rebate that I'm going to drop a link for buy 2, get 1 purchase price back. So I picked up 2 of these at $13.49. Now, I'm going to tell you the individual deal first, then I'll tell you the Healthy Summer. 2 at $13.49. I got back $6.50 on Ibotta, and I got back $13.49 from that rebate offer, making it $6.99 for both of them. But I don't want to pay $6.99 for these. I want to put them in the Healthy Summer bonus. So I went ahead and picked up the cashews at $5.99, buy 1, get 1 free. So this was my transaction right here. I paid $32.97, and I did pay that in cash, and I know some of you don't like a high out of pocket. Totally get that. You could use manufacturer register rewards to pay that balance down. I got back $10 for spending $30. I got back $6.50 on Ibotta. I got back the $13.49 for the rebate, making everything $2.98, except for the fact that I had a spend 10, get 5 paper booster as well. So that made my final cost completely free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Now, couple of things. Yes, you could use manufacturer register rewards to pay down your balance. No, you don't want to use Walgreens Cash on the Healthy Summer Spend deal. Now, I picked up these yesterday at $5.99. I could, if you're doing it this week, you could do 2 of these at $13.49 plus 2 of the trail mix at $1.88, because that's going to get you to, I think I wrote it down, it was just over $30, so it will make it a little bit cheaper. Now, heads up on that rebate, I'm going to drop it down below. Same kind of concept with the popcorn that I did. It's supposed to go to your Venmo. If you don't want it to go to Venmo, you can provide your PayPal. It has not hit my account yet. It says it can take 24 hours. Again, I can update you when that does in fact hit. But that's how I did the Healthy Summer bonus this week. Like I said, it's kind of a lighter week at Walgreens from what I'm seeing so far. If you're finding other deals, please let us know down in the comments. Would love to see what y'all are finding. If you're brand new and you feel like, what did I just listen to? I'm so overwhelmed. Don't forget I have beginner tutorials like how to shop at Walgreens, what are register rewards, what is Walgreens Cash, how to use Walgreens Cash on a spend deal. I have complete videos that walk you through all of that information in a playlist that you'll see at the very end of this video. So if you click on that playlist, you can watch the videos that you need to watch to get the information that you need. Okay, hope you guys have a great week. Thanks.